Lego sets are often considered expensive due to a combination of factors relating to design, manufacturing, and branding. So first, Lego invests heavily in quality and precision. The pieces are made with high quality plastic, and the molds used to create them are intricate and costly to maintain. Each piece is manufactured with great precision, ensuring that every part fits perfectly, which requires advanced technology and consistent quality control. The design and development process also contributes to the price. Lego sets, especially the more complex ones, involve months of research and design to ensure that they are engaging, challenging, and visually appealing as well. So many sets are designed with licensed themes like Star Wars or Harry Potter, which involves paying for the rights to use those intellectual properties. Another factor is packaging and distribution. So Lego sets often come with detailed instructions and are carefully packaged to ensure that they arrive in good condition. So the company also maintains a global supply chain, which adds to the cost of getting the products to the stores and customers. Lastly, Lego has built a strong brand reputation, and people are willing to pay a premium for the experience, quality, and the creativity associated with their products. So this brand, the brand loyalty supports the higher prices.